Russian first paperless airliner Sukhoi SuperJet 100 using Siemens PLM Software Solutions. Sukhoi SuperJet 100 marked its maiden flight on May 19, 2008. In less than 8 years, its developers advanced from the initial concept and design to a victorious takeoff of one of the best regional airliners. It has become a real breakthrough for Sukhoi Civil Aircraft Company and the entire Russian civil aircraft industry. To develop the Sukhoi SuperJet 100, Sukhoi Civil Aircraft Company relied on a wide-scale global collaboration with the leaders of the world's aerospace industry and the most advanced avionics suppliers from the USA and Western Europe. The efficiency of their joint efforts has been enabled by Team Center from Siemens PLM Software, a leading global provider of product lifecycle management software and services. Team Center has provided a single, synchronized knowledge platform for design and manufacturing multi-CAD data. To manage design changes, all of the suppliers have been put together in a virtual work group, using a single data source and working with an electronic mock-up. Siemens PLM Software's Team Center has enabled a collaborative work group of about 1,700 users at 12 sites, as well as has supported the world-class partners' interaction across the globe. The Sukhoi SuperJet 100 development program is an outstanding example of a comprehensive, innovative, geographically distributed project and knowledge use across the extended enterprise.
We've set a very fast pace of work, and we've made it, thanks to Team Center-enabled cooperation with the partners and suppliers. The collaboration technology has contributed a lot to the program's successful implementation and total enterprise productivity. They've also helped to reduce development costs and time to market of the Sukhoi SuperJet 100s.
With Team Center, Sukhoi Civil Aircraft Company has designed Russia's first paperless aircraft, transforming the commercial airline process development. The Sukhoi SuperJet 100 is unique in that the most advanced technologies are utilized not only in the aircraft itself, but also in every development stage. From design to assembly, it assures that the modern aircraft meets the world's market requirements. Sukhoi SuperJet 100 combines the best of the modern aircraft industry. The aircraft offers advantageous fuel efficiency, lower overall cost of ownership and maintenance. It also offers unprecedented passenger comfort with wider seats, wider aisles, and larger storage bins. The SuperJet 100 features better takeoff and landing characteristics and is designed for all-weather operations. The aircraft complies with the most severe environmental requirements and considerably exceeds the present and future ICAO noise level and emission requirements. An international collaboration, the integration of the world's leading aircraft makers' expertise, resources, and competencies, and the choice of the innovative Team Center solution has resulted in the finest piece of aviation technology. Sukhoi SuperJet 100 is an outstanding achievement and represents true international cooperation of world aircraft industry leaders. It has been developed in short time using advanced solutions from Siemens PLM software.